Hi, I'm a OnePlus 5T owner, and these are the 5 things I like about it. 5T has dual cameras, and it's a bit different from the 5 because they swapped out the telephoto lens for a low light lens, and that makes low light pictures great. It's a lot better than the OnePlus 3 camera, which is my previous phone. It's just an all-round good camera. The portrait mode is amazing. Pop it into portrait mode, pop it up and snap it, and the photos that come out are really good. The screen. I went from the OnePlus 3, which had a 16:9 aspect ratio, to 18:9 aspect ratio. That's really good. Videos look awesome in it, but you have to be careful because a lot of YouTube videos have stuff quite low down or high up, crop some stuff out. When it's just straight people talking or like a cinematic thing on Netflix or something, really nice, very immersive. New ways to unlock. They've changed a couple of things about how you unlock the phone. They moved the fingerprint sensor from the front of the phone to the back of the phone. Just sits right, so you can swipe down the fingerprint scanner to bring down the notification bar. I found that I haven't scanned my fingerprint much because of the second way you can unlock the OnePlus 5T, which is the new face unlock. It is incredibly fast, to the point where you don't get to see the notification screen. It's just so incredibly fast. The specifications. I've chosen the higher end model, which was the 128GB storage and the 8GB of RAM. A really good thing. Having the option for the 128GB was really good, even though they didn't have the microSD card slot. Just gaming, multitasking, everything so smooth. It actually came with a case. I didn't actually realise this until I watched an unboxing video after I'd ordered it and another case. I wouldn't have bought another case, even though the one I bought is better than the one that came free. Just OnePlus as a brand, it's awesome. Carl Pei is a G. Good job, Carl Pei. Your stabs at Apple are amazing. Their community support is really good. Their forums are amazing, and there's a lot of stuff that's very OnePlus specific that just makes them an awesome brand and makes me proud to have a OnePlus phone.